is Beast out of Slidell, Louisiana. I don't think Beast has lost a single contest this year. He'll be in the lightweight division. Shout out to everybody, I'm here. We got two dragons in the show today. Maybe we can go head to head and see who I'm here at. The winner gets to keep the name.
I'm here at the three-wheel Showdown here at NYC, repping Can-Am, Show Chrome. Everybody check out all the bikes. Follow me. This is gonna be insane.
Can I get some on that? Don't be scared. He ain't scared. He don't want that smoke. What division you in? What division you in? Oh, you got lucky. Y'all not in the same division. So we can have a lightweight dragon and a welterweight dragon. Man, I want to say shout out to Team Light 'em Up. They got some of the coolest shirts on. You can easily pick them out. Look at them. Look at them. All looking like a set of bookends. Look like a half dozen of eggs walking up here. We want to give a shout out to the team from Jersey, man. They doing big things. They came on the scene from out of nowhere, man, and they've been winning shows everywhere. So we want to give them a shout out, a round of applause for coming out too. I want to give a big shout out to all these Rykers that pulled up out here. Where y'all from? Trilogy on 3, baby. Hey man, we sure appreciate them Rykers. We got some prizes just for y'all. We got a lot of stuff for y'all today. We got a good crowd. We're going to give it a little more time for everybody to come in. So we can go forward. All right, we're strong. DJ, hit that music. Put your man in, baby.
I would trailer it because I just think it's just too much stuff. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's it. Waiting for some more Rykers and Spyders to show up, but it's about to go down today.
Put this motherfucking headphones on. Yeah. I'ma just go off the head. Just record me right here, yeah. I'm hoping I could touch 100 bands by the night. I'm low-key stressing, but I still bought the ice. Bust another knock, then I bought my son a bike. Bust another knock.
Let me introduce you to this guy. Let me introduce you to this guy. Alright, we had live Polaris Showdown. We got about 5,000 bikes.
Yo.
Here, my man Keith today, hanging out glorious. Friday, Saturday afternoon, 75 degrees.
Over 5,000 bikes. Hey, Philly came out for me, man. Philly came out for me.
So when we pulled out there, it's like, oh shit, oh, they're here. They're here.
right, all the Phillies here. All the Philly came out. This is crazy. I'm gonna give y'all some serious footage of some bikes. Holy cow. We're about to fill this place up.
Yo, King Joffy Joe 413. You know what I'm saying? After you check that out, we're gonna send you over to Rolling on 3 podcast, because we're gonna have a podcast talking about the newest shit coming out. Alright? Hey yo, wow. It's like, hey yo, wow. Like that.
I'm glad all y'all came together.
Yo, Trilogy on 3 on Instagram, check us out.
The easiest way to get eliminated from this is to talk while I'm talking. That usually works. All right, all y'all from the same crew?
Yes, sir.
All right, so how we gonna decide who got the best designed bike? Get it ready? All right, y'all guys ready? I got 4 ladies here and 5 bikes. So what am I gonna ask y'all to do? Go stand by the one that y'all like. Whichever one that don't have a person. I don't know about sitting on it. Go pick a bike, Philly.
Pick a bike, Philly.
1, 2. You wanna pick a bike?
You already got one.
Oh, look at that.
Tiebreaker with.
Women screw it up for you every time, won't you? So now I got 2 over here and 2 over here. We got a tie. He ain't gonna come for me. Wait for a minute. Pick the bike, gentlemen, that you like between this bike and that bike.
Between which bike?
That bike and this bike.
Oh, look at the bike.
Now, I'm gonna tell y'all something. I'm in complete agreement.
I got 2 steps.
No, I'm gonna tell you, you shouldn't even got that one, but I'm gonna tell you something. You know why he picked your bike?
Is it the right color?
Look at his clothes. That's why she picked the bike. My man here is the winner. $250 from Show Quality. Where you at? Here you go, come get it, my man, come get it.
I just fired his bike. It don't matter. It don't matter. It don't matter.
Oh, okay.
Put this motherfucking headphones on. Yeah. I'ma just go up the head. Just record me right here. Yeah. I'm hoping I can touch 100 bands by the night. I'm low-key stressing, but I still bought the ice. Bust another knock, then I bought my son a bike. Bust another knock, then I bought my son a bike. I'm always by myself cause I don't trust a lot of niggas. Low-key XD40 in the kitchen. I fuck with square niggas, I fuck with street niggas. 10 minutes, so you know this bitch a hitter. I still got a dress.
All right, winner.
That's it. Sound competition. Rykers, Spyders going head to head. King of Hill, King of the Hill.
What's up? Y'all better watch out. He only sitting on half the bike.
Y'all wasting valuable time.
Who that shit? Who the shit? Who the bike?
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain. Tonight, we gonna let it rain.
They setting up. This is going. The sound competition's going on right now. For Rykers and Spyder, sponsored by Showdown.
just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we gonna light it up tonight. We gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We gonna light it up now.
3 hours later.